Looking for a delicious and natural way to lower your cholesterol? You might be surprised to learn that the answer could be in your glass. That's right, certain juices can be powerful tools for managing cholesterol, and they taste great too. High cholesterol, as we know, is a major risk factor for heart disease. It's a silent threat that can lead to serious health problems if left unchecked. And while medication may be necessary for some, lifestyle changes, including dietary changes, can make a significant difference. And incorporating the right kinds of juices into your diet can be a simple and effective way to support your heart health. There's one juice in particular that's been shown to have a dramatic impact on cholesterol levels. We'll reveal it soon. So, stay with me. We're about to embark on a flavorful journey to better heart health. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 easy and effective juice recipes that can help you lower your cholesterol naturally, so you can take control of your heart health starting today. So let's quickly recap why managing cholesterol is so incredibly important. We've all heard about good and bad cholesterol, right? The bad cholesterol is LDL, or low-density lipoprotein. This is the type that can build up in your arteries, forming plaque and increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Think of it as gunk clogging up your pipes. The good cholesterol is HDL, or high-density lipoprotein. This type helps remove LDL cholesterol from your arteries, acting like a cleanup crew. High cholesterol, particularly high LDL cholesterol, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, over 90 million American adults have total cholesterol levels higher than 200 milligrams per deciliter, which is considered borderline high. And more than 28 million American adults have levels of 240 or higher, which is considered high risk. These are alarming statistics, but, and this is key, high cholesterol is often preventable and manageable through lifestyle changes. We're talking about things like regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and, of course, diet. And that's where these powerful juices come in. But before we get to the specific recipes, it's crucial to understand how these juices actually work. Okay, so how can juices actually help lower cholesterol? It all comes down to the power of the ingredients. Certain fruits and vegetables are packed with soluble fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering effects. Soluble fiber, as we've discussed before, is a key player. It works like a sponge, binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This helps lower your LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. Many fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of soluble fiber. Antioxidants are another important component. They help protect your blood vessels from damage caused by LDL cholesterol and reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Think of antioxidants as your body's defense force against cellular damage. Now, juicing can be a great way to increase your intake of these beneficial fruits and vegetables, especially if you struggle to eat enough of them in their whole form. It's a quick and convenient way to get a concentrated dose of nutrients. However, and this is very important, juicing should be part of a balanced, healthy diet, not a replacement for whole foods. When you juice, you often remove some of the fiber, particularly the insoluble fiber, which is also important for overall health and digestion. And fruit juice can be high in natural sugars, so it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and to choose ingredients wisely. We're focusing on recipes that maximize the benefits and minimize the potential downsides. We'll be using ingredients that are specifically chosen for their cholesterol-lowering properties and their lower sugar content. We will also add ingredients back to retain some of the pulp. These 5 juices are not only effective, but also delicious and easy to make. All right, it's time for the main event, the top 5 juices for lowering cholesterol. I encourage you to gather your ingredients and follow along as we make these cholesterol-lowering juices. Let's get started. Recipe number 1: beetroot, apple, and ginger juice. This juice is a powerhouse of nutrients. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped. 1 medium apple, cored and chopped. 1/2 inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled. Instructions: wash all ingredients thoroughly. Juice the beetroot, apple, and ginger using a juicer. Stir well and enjoy immediately. You can add a bit of the pulp back in. Benefits: beetroots are rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Apples provide soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol. And ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe number 2: citrus blast juice. This juice is bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 grapefruit, peeled. 1 orange, peeled. 1/2 lemon, peeled. Instructions: wash all ingredients. Juice the grapefruit, orange, and lemon. Stir well and serve. Benefits: citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, antioxidants, and pectin fiber, all of which contribute to heart health and cholesterol management. Important note: if you are taking any medications, especially statins, please consult your doctor before consuming grapefruit, as it can interact with certain drugs. Recipe number 3: green power juice. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 cup kale, 1/2 cucumber, 1/2 green apple, 1/2 lemon, peeled. Instructions: wash all ingredients thoroughly. Juice the spinach, kale, cucumber, apple, and lemon. Stir well and drink immediately. Benefits: leafy greens like spinach and kale are incredibly nutrient-dense and provide a wide range of health benefits, including supporting heart health. Cucumber adds hydration, and the apple and lemon provide sweetness and additional nutrients. Recipe number 4: pomegranate juice. This juice is a potent source of antioxidants. Ingredients: 2 pomegranates. Instructions: cut the pomegranates in half. Juice them using a citrus press. Add the pulp back into the juice. Benefits: pomegranates are rich in unique antioxidants called punicalagins, which have been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and may help lower cholesterol levels. You can also use store-bought 100% pomegranate juice, but make sure it has no added sugar. Recipe number 5: berry good juice. This juice is a delicious way to get your daily dose of antioxidants and fiber. Ingredients: 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup raspberries, 1/2 apple, cored and chopped. Instructions: Wash all ingredients thoroughly. Juice the blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and apple. Stir well and enjoy. Benefits. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, both of which are beneficial for heart health and cholesterol management. The apple adds natural sweetness and additional nutrients. Now, you might be thinking, can juice really lower my cholesterol? The answer might surprise you. While juice alone won't magically erase high cholesterol, incorporating these nutrient-packed juices into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can absolutely contribute to improved cholesterol levels. The key is consistency and making these juices a regular part of your routine. Which of these juice recipes are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. So we've explored 5 fantastic juice recipes for lowering cholesterol. But before you start juicing every day, there are some very important considerations to keep in mind. First, let's talk about whole fruits versus juice. While juicing can be a great way to get a concentrated dose of nutrients, it's essential to remember that eating whole fruits and vegetables is still incredibly important. Whole fruits and vegetables provide fiber, including insoluble fiber, which is often lost during the juicing process. This fiber is crucial for digestive health, blood sugar control, and overall well-being. So don't replace whole fruits and vegetables with juice. Use juice as a supplement. Next, sugar content. Even though the sugars in these juice recipes are natural, it's still important to be mindful of the overall sugar content. Fruit juice can be relatively high in sugar, and consuming too much sugar, even from natural sources, can have negative health consequences. Stick to the recommended serving sizes and avoid adding any extra sugar to your juices. That brings us to portion control. A little juice goes a long way. We recommend sticking to around 4 to 8 ounces of juice per serving. Think of it as a small glass, not a giant jug. Now, a critical point: medication interactions. If you are taking any medications, especially for cholesterol or blood thinners, it's absolutely essential to consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, including adding these juices to your routine. Certain fruits, like grapefruit, can interact with medications, potentially causing serious side effects. Always talk to your doctor first. Let's talk about juice quality. Whenever possible, use fresh, organic produce to make your juices. This helps minimize your exposure to pesticides and ensures you're getting the highest quality nutrients. Avoid processed juices that contain added sugars, preservatives, or artificial flavors. Those are counterproductive to your health goals. Finally, variety and balance. While these juice recipes are specifically designed to support heart health and lower cholesterol, it's important to remember that a healthy diet includes a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, not just the ones in these recipes. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate and in your glass to ensure you're getting a diverse range of nutrients. So let's recap what we've covered today. We've talked about the crucial importance of managing cholesterol for heart health. We've explored the potential benefits of juicing and how certain fruits and vegetables can contribute to lower cholesterol levels. We've shared 5 delicious and effective juice recipes that you can easily make at home. And we've discussed some very important considerations to keep in mind when juicing for cholesterol. And hold on, there's one very important thing you need to remember about drinking juice for cholesterol. And that is everything we discussed in the last section. Whole fruits are still important. Be mindful of sugar content. Control your portions. Watch out for medication interactions. Use quality ingredients. And aim for variety and balance. These are not just suggestions, they are essential guidelines. By incorporating these juices into your routine, you're not only lowering your cholesterol, but you're also boosting your immune system, improving your energy levels, and supporting your overall well-being. It's a holistic approach to health, where each positive choice contributes to a greater good. You're providing your body with a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting optimal health from the inside out. Now, I challenge you to try one of these juice recipes this week and see how you feel. Start with one that appeals to you, gather your ingredients, and give it a go. Do you have any favorite juice combinations for heart health? Share your recipes and tips in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative ideas, and it might help others on their journey to better health. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips and information. We're dedicated to providing you with evidence-based strategies for a healthier life. And share this video with friends and family who might benefit. Knowing about these juices to lower cholesterol and understanding how to use them effectively can be incredibly empowering. Remember, finding the best juices for high cholesterol is about choosing the right combinations. These cholesterol-lowering drinks, when incorporated correctly, can make positive differences. Always be cautious, and if unsure, seek medical guidance. Crucially, remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance on managing your cholesterol and making dietary changes that are right for you.